driving along in my '08 Crown Victoria. This is I call it Crown Vic 3.0. It's the third one I've had since 2001. Not that much goes wrong with these cars. The one thing that has gone wrong with every one I've ever had are the windshield wiper motors. This one's been going bad. I've always thought it was just the switch down here, the controller. They won't go off now. At all. Every once in a while, the squisher will go on and stay on. That was really safe. I'm going to do this by hand to see if I can get it to stop. Yeah, and I tend to wonder if the extra wipe feature is the problem on these things. I don't know. The wipers were actually stopping in the middle of the glass further back in the road. I don't know. New motors, I believe, are like in the $150 range. I tried a rebuilt in my '98 Vic. It was sort of a junky piece of remanufactured garbage. In the '06 2.0 Vic, I used one from a Mass State Cruiser that had been wrecked. That worked great, and I think that's what's going to be going into this car. So we'll be finding out if your wipers have a mind of their own. Is it the motor, which my mechanic says, or is it the switch, which I say? Maybe when I get home I'll do the switch, because we do have a used one, we'll see. But of course I finally have a new windshield and brand new Bosch blades, which are not cheap. And I can't turn my wipers off. And for those of you who are outside of New England, this is a rotary. And be thankful you don't have them in your state, because they're really unsafe, as you can see. It's a free-for-all. So there you go. My wipers won't turn off no matter what I do. Is it the wiper motor? Oh, hey! Hey, there you go. I think I scared them. Is it the wiper motor, or is it the multifunction switch? We shall see, and hopefully before Thanksgiving, which is in a couple of days, and before Christmas, and before it snows, which is usually when things like to break. So there you go. Bye-bye.